Printing test execution times and pinning down slow tests with Py.Test. I am running unit tests on a CI server using Py.Test. Tests use external resources fetched over network. Sometimes test runner takes too long, causing test runner to be aborted. I cannot repeat the issues locally. Is there a way to make Py.Test print out execution times of slow test, so pinning down problematic tests become easier?
I'm not sure this will solve your problem, but you can pass durations equals n to print the slowest n tests after the test suite finishes. Use durations equals 0 to print all.
You can pass the number with durations. Take refer in this URL or this URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.